racing, and I promise to...
Oil temperature sensor right here. Just like that.
I've built it, but now it's time to put the nether portal to my ideas. In the jackpot.
Yeah, the moment someone told me that you were looking for 66 rockets up, I kind of asked around, and one of my buddies actually.
You want to check in here?
I appreciate you being at the event. Appreciate you coming all the way down. Successful event. Thanks, man.
Do you happen to have any Steam Rocket Unlimited?
Just when I thought all hope was lost. What?
No. No.
Good come up?
Oh, fucking
Yeah. That's right. And they take out, yep, take out the gasket. What was that? Too bad. Look at that.
And when I come up, Devin's got something in his hand.
Oh shit, it is pretty bad.
Because a lot of us can't get access to those cards anyway, so that could be a great thing to do, and you'll see some people in the chat offer their own ideas too. Any SARs? What is happening? I was saying things, and then they happen.
Okay, I see. And then there must be a button here. That's why that's... Oh, okay, there he is. Come here, get on here. Wait, come here. What's wrong with you? Anywhere. Oh no, he's here. I need to get to the hiding spot. He's nearby. Okay, maybe if I don't look at it, it'll say... No! It was the first time I displayed it permanently. Not really QR thing. Let me know what that has on it, guys. Into that room when we drop the item. Wait, this is perfect.
I've never seen you go under the car.
This is actually good. He's dead. He was about to make a... Yes, he did. Hey, nothing wrong with that.
And now you're gonna go inside the car? Just keep
Right into you. Bounce right
rotate.
back.
Just keep.
Why is there a two? Matchup rating red and gray. It's gotta be red around here somewhere. What happened here? Good connection. Go. Do I make it on here? Oh, I don't know what's happening. I'm just shooting.
Recording?
Yeah.